There may be no better example of how a melody can open up the gates of prayer and the pathways of meaning than the melody of Shebeirach that Debbie Friedman set that ancient prayer to. Cantor Cohen is a graduate of the Debbie Friedman School of Sacred Music, named in her memory. And we are so very aware of how this melody can bring us to a place of comfort and of healing, to help us feel embraced and to help us feel surrounded. Tachat kanfei Shechina, the wings of God's presence. We join with our cantor, page 371, the Shebeirach, a prayer for healing.
Shebeirach avoteinu mekor habracha leimotenu. May the source of strength, who bless the ones before us, help us find the courage to make our lives a blessing, and let us say, Amen. Shebeirach imotenu mekor habracha. Bless those in need of healing with refuah shlema, the renewal of body, the renewal of spirit, and let us say, Amen.